Hi everyone, I'll be doing a quick unboxing video. I just bought a Tissot watch. It's quite a slim box. The traditional red box. See? Very simple box. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is the design of the box. I have to cut it out. It's a very simple watch with date, time. This is what they call the Tissot Carson Powermatic 80. The retail price is Singapore dollars $880. Okay. Inside the box, I already did this. I already resized my watch. Come with 2 years international warranty. Okay. So here's the watch. It has come with water resistant up to 30 meters, and it's a sapphire case. Plugs 19 with 40. The length is 39. The thickness is 9.6. Okay. And it also comes with the open case back. Then it has a power reserve of 80 hours. That's why it's called the Powermatic 80. Okay. And also yep, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to do remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you.